All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the wheel, really light scuff there on the edge. The rest of that looks good. Middle's nice and clean, 40 by 1550, 22. Tires are amazing. All of that looks good. Of course, you got the rhino lining here. Not much to pick apart on that. Mirror looks good. Door's clean. A little marking right there. All of that's nice. That looks good. A little plexiglass, typical swirls in it. Here on this wheel. A little scuff on the inside, very subtle though. Got a tiny chip right there. Otherwise, that looks good. This wheel looks amazing. All that looks good. Do have some markings right there. Looks like that's kind of cracking on that edge. These are glued on, it looks like, so you're gonna see some glue residue. Looks good. Upper section looks nice. Here on the bumper, that looks good. You have kind of a vinyl roller lock there. All right, looking at this side, all of that looks good. Some light scratches on that plexi. Flare's in great condition. That wheel looks good. That wheel looks good. Get right here, you can see some chips in there. Some of that's kind of coming off, it looks like. Got some staining in here. That looks good. That wheel's clean. Got some cracking right there on the coating. A little bit there. The rest of this looks amazing. And looking at that door panel, looks good. You can see they did the jams and everything with the rhino lining. All of that looks amazing. Here on that bolster, that's perfect. This leather looks super good, really, really soft. You can see they did it around the cover here, dash. All of that looks really, really good. A couple little scuffs, little chips there on the plastic. That looks good. The rest of that's in great condition. Here on this back left door panel, looks good. Fosgates there. These seats look really, really nice. Seat backs look amazing. That looks good. Here on that door panel, looks amazing. All that trim's clean. Carpets look good. All that looks nice. This looks amazing. Here on that bolster, absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws on the seats. This side looks good. That panel looks amazing. Seats look perfect. Really not much to pick apart in here. The rhino lining in here looks good. Checking out the engine bay. Nice and clean. Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 20,196 miles on the odometer. Now if you see any flickering on the screens or anything like that, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Got your camera back here, looks awesome. It's got the 3-liter diesel. Really dark window tint. Hit the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes are solid. Shifting nice and smooth. So far, the steering wheel's nice and straight. Doesn't have a bunch of shakes or shimmies. Typical creaks with the top. It's very subtle though. And the suspension is surprisingly nice. I mean, it's a little bouncy, but it's subtle. A lot better driving than I thought it would be. Really nice. No complaints with the drivability.